Welcome to Bike Buzzing, your trusted garage for all things two-wheeled and thrilling. Today, we're diving into a heavyweight legend that's back with a vengeance, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. If you're a fan of raw torque, iconic styling, and that unmistakable American V-twin attitude, this one's going to fire you up. Let's hit the throttle and break down what makes the 2025 Fat Boy a standout cruiser in a sea of pretenders. A legacy reforged. The Fat Boy has always been more than just a motorcycle, it's an icon. First introduced in 1990 and immortalized by pop culture, especially in Terminator 2, the Fat Boy has carried the Harley legacy for decades. For 2025, Harley-Davidson has managed to retain its bold, muscular silhouette while refining every inch for modern riders. This year's model isn't just a continuation, it's a rebirth. Design, fat, proud, and sharper than ever. When it comes to design, the 2025 Fat Boy continues to flex its unmistakable look, but with sharper lines and updated detailing. The solid disc Lancaster wheels return, more aggressive and eye-catching than ever, giving the bike that chunky, grounded stance we all crave. The satin chrome finishes now have a more brushed, industrial look, balancing modern minimalism with timeless muscle. LED lighting across the board makes a big difference, and the beefy 240mm rear tire still screams attitude. Performance, Milwaukee muscle. At the heart of the 2025 Fat Boy lies Harley's updated Milwaukee 8117 V-twin. This beast churns out more torque and horsepower than last year, delivering effortless roll-on power in every gear. With 125 lb-ft of torque on tap and refined fuel mapping, the ride is smoother, punchier, and more responsive. Paired with a crisp 6-speed cruise drive transmission, it's built for both boulevard cruising and highway domination. What's more, Harley's engineers have worked on improving heat management and idle stability, which means better performance even on those long summer rides. The throttle-by-wire system remains buttery smooth, and response is now more immediate, thanks to refined electronics. Ride and handling, built for the road. Despite its bulky appearance, the Fat Boy's ride is surprisingly balanced. For 2025, the Softail frame has been reworked subtly to improve rigidity and comfort without compromising its classic stance. Up front, the Showa dual-bending valve fork continues to deliver a plush yet responsive feel, while the hidden monoshock in the rear is now even easier to preload adjust for solo or two-up riding. It's not going to carve corners like a sport bike, and it's not meant to, but for a cruiser of its size, the 2025 Fat Boy handles like a dream. Whether you're rolling through city streets or chewing up highway miles, you feel planted, confident, and in control. Tech and features, classic meets modern. Harley-Davidson has taken a smart approach to tech on the 2025 Fat Boy, modern where it counts, but never overwhelming. The analog speedometer is paired with a small digital display, giving you essential data like gear position, range, and clock. Optional tech packages now include cornering enhanced ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control, adding layers of safety without compromising the raw riding feel. Keyless ignition, USB charging, and cruise control come standard, while the Harley-Davidson Connect app integration is improved for better ride tracking and service reminders. You won't find giant touchscreens or cluttered menus here, just practical, rider-focused upgrades. Comfort and ergonomics, long-haul ready. If you're thinking long rides and cross-state cruising, the Fat Boy has you covered. The seat has been redesigned for better lower back support and comfort, and the forward controls now feel more natural, especially for taller riders. The wide handlebars give you that cruiser spread without fatiguing your shoulders. Wind protection is still minimal, it's a naked cruiser, after all, but Harley offers quick detach windscreens and soft bag kits for riders who want more touring practicality. With a 5-gallon tank and improved efficiency, you can expect better range than last year, making it a true long-haul machine. Customization, make it yours. No Harley would be complete without customization, and the 2025 Fat Boy is a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. Harley's genuine parts and accessories lineup is broader than ever, with everything from performance slip-ons and foot pegs to blackout kits and heated grips. Whether you're going for retro, stealth, or full custom chopper vibes, the Fat Boy adapts easily to your vision. Final thoughts: a cruiser with character. The 2025 Fat Boy isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's about presence, power, and performance blended into one of the most iconic silhouettes in motorcycling history. Harley-Davidson has done an excellent job balancing heritage with innovation. It's loud when it needs to be, smooth when you want it to be, and unmistakably Harley every second you're in the saddle. If you're in the market for a premium cruiser that delivers muscle, style, and soul, the 2025 Fat Boy deserves your attention. Thanks for cruising with Bike Buzzing. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the latest bikes, classic rides, and two-wheeled tech, hit that subscribe button and throttle that like. Got questions about the 2025 Fat Boy or want to share your Harley stories? Drop them in the comments, we're always buzzing about bikes. Until next time, ride safe and ride loud.